Have you ever had recollection of your past lives? I've had several dreams indicative of the past. In one, I had been held as a prisoner in ancient Egypt and was released by order of the pharaoh. I've also had dreams indicative of my close connection to the Indian adept Krishnacharya and to the founder of Drepung Monastery Jamyang Choji. Be that as it may, the important thing is to lead a meaningful life here and now. 你有没有回忆起你的前世？我曾做过几次与过去有关的梦。其中一个梦里，我是古埃及的一名囚犯，后来被法老下令释放。我也做过一些梦，暗示我与印度的成就者葛纳巴以及哲邦寺的创始人加木样却皆有着密切的联系。尽管如此，重要的是在此时此地过上有意义的生活。
Then each human being, you see, due to previous limitless lives, some sort of impact from these previous life. Then one, I think, great thing is, one, my previous life was in Egypt, in Egyptian prison. Perhaps I may be mischievous person, so put in prison. So the Pharaoh, you know, Egyptian king, Pharaoh, on top of the sort of place, Pharaoh there. I, among the prisoners, I feel very afraid. Then the Pharaoh, you see, instructed, now this person now relieved from prison. I feel very happy. So since our sort of theory, limitless life, go like that. And then more positive way, I remember, according to my dream, I'm one of the great Indian master, Krishna. I have some sort of memory about that person. And then among Tibetan, the person who established Drepung Monastery, I have very clear sort of dream. That is one of my previous life. So, like that. There's nothing special. Each of you have previous life, some form of, including a prisoner like me. We all have, you see, different sort of lives, like that. So important is this very life now should carry meaningful life. Meaningful means if you can help other people, do it. If not, at least restrain harming other. That's a meaningful life. Okay. Okay.